So today, under the Ministry of Textiles, Government of India, we have inaugurated one Bunkar and Karigar Utthan upskilling program in hundreds clusters, textile clusters of India, spread it across the country from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, from northeast to Gujarat. In 100 clusters, out of the 100, in 70 clusters, special training, upskilling programs will be given to in 70 clusters to in the sector of handicraft, and in 30 clusters to handloom. More than 3,500 beneficiaries, that is artisans and weavers, will be benefited from this scheme under the leadership of Paramadhaniniya Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi ji. Like all the other sectors, we, the Minister of Textiles, are also working very hard to leverage the textile industry to the next level, especially in the field of handloom and handicraft. So by giving special training, skill development programs and market linkages, so in all the aspects are being taken care of by our ministry. So this is the beginning of this particular Bunkar and Karigar Utthan upskilling program. So we have started from today.
You had conversation with other states also, so how do you feel that and what you were expecting from them also?
Now you see, in each and every cluster, we have more than 30 artisans and weavers. They are very enthusiastic to get associated with this program of our textile ministry, and they know that this program will enhance their capacity in their respective fields of handicraft and handloom. And we have trained special designers and master trainers in both in handloom and handicraft in all the clusters, and they are very much confident. They are sure that this training program of 100 days will benefit them a lot, and along with this special training and upskilling, we are giving them honorarium of every day. So from all the angles, we think this will benefit each and every artisan and weavers related to this program, and this is done only in the 100 clusters, and we are thinking to spread to other nooks and corners of the country to benefit our handloom and handicraft artists.